I'm Judy Shaw for NYSE Floor Talk. Joining me today is Andrea Mancino. She is CEO at Bright Power. Andrea, wonderful to have you here. Thanks for joining me.
Thank you for having me.
My pleasure. So now tell me about Bright Power. What's your mission?
So for over 20 years, Bright Power has been dedicated to reducing the carbon footprint in the built environment. In the United States, 13% of greenhouse gas emissions come from buildings, and in New York City alone, 2/3 of carbon emissions come from buildings. So it's a sector that needs to be addressed, and there's really a lot of work to do. And at Bright Power, we're committed to working with real estate owners and property managers to help them create capital plans and actually implement the carbon reduction measures to save their operating costs and also save energy. We work in existing buildings to come up with creative solutions to actually retrofit the buildings while addressing unique challenges like how to do a deep retrofit with residents in place while opening up walls in their units. And we also work in ground up new construction, doing holistic energy efficiency and sustainability consulting, where we're looking at everything from system selection all the way to the materials that are being used to build the building to make sure that they're healthy and not carbon intensive. And in the ground up new construction work that we do, we also work primarily in affordable housing. So through the work that we're doing, the marginalized at-risk populations that live in those buildings can live in healthy, sustainable, comfortable buildings and also spend less on energy, which is really, really important to us. Mm-hmm. And it's really a winning formula for everyone, because not only are we impacting positively the bottom line or the net operating income of a building, but we are also having a positive impact on the environment and on the residents that live in the buildings as well. So it's a win-win for everyone.
All right, so now tell me, how are you different from the competition?
So we provide services throughout the life cycle of a building. So we really truly are an ongoing energy management partner. And the industry that we work in is very complex. There's a lot of technicalities, a lot of laws, a lot of programs to navigate. So from the onset of a project, we work hand in hand with our clients to distill down that complexity to really make it so that they don't have to worry, whether it be compliance or achieving a certain certification or whatever it might be. And on top of that, we take advantage of any tax incentives, any rebates, any incentive programs that are out there to offset the upfront cost of the measures and make sure that it makes sense financially.
Okay, so now as you look to the year ahead, tell me, what are you focused on? What are your priorities?
The macroeconomic environment that we're in right now is really funneling funds into the sustainability landscape. So right now, we are also finding that ESG initiatives and impact investing are really important to lenders and to the financial market. So there are a lot of tailwinds behind us right now. Particularly, Bright Power is really looking at the Inflation Reduction Act that injected billions of dollars into the economy to decarbonize buildings. So we're right there, mm-hmm. We're poised to take advantage of that. And really there are a lot of carrots and sticks in the industry right now. The carrots come in the form of the funds that are available to do these projects. And the sticks are coming in the form of things like fines through different regulations that are popping up all over the country based on performance and how much carbon that your buildings actually emit. So we're poised right now to help our clients navigate and demystify the compliance landscape while also making sure that they're maximizing the amount of capital that they can get for the projects that they're working on. And we expect that to continue and even get more and more for years to come.
All right, well, Andrea, wonderful to talk with you.
Thank you.
Thanks for joining me on Floor Talk.
Thank you very much, appreciate it.